I am Adrian. Rasta Yaad. That is the title of producer Adrian Donsom Hanson's latest project. The Riddim project features primarily Rastafarian artists, which Hanson says is a strategic move, with music by Turbulence, Anthony B, Michael Rose, Luton Fire, and upcoming artist Kaibanan, who Adrian said has one of the best songs on the project. Rasta Yaad, the project's lead track, was done by reggae veteran Fantan Moja and was released last Friday. For his first time working with Donsom Records producer, Moja said, quote, "I was introduced to the project by Turbulence. It's the unity and the love of the Rasta community and what we stand for that gave me the inspiration to write the song," end quote. Hanson said he worked on the Riddim project for over 18 months, but then he finally gave it a name when Fantan Moja recorded his track, Rasta Yaad. In January, Hanson released two singles, Fly Away Home by Anthony B and Somebody to Love by recording artist Rose Summers. Now on the international scene, the People's Choice Award for 2022 goes to Taylor Swift, Harry Styles, Selena Gomez and Adam Sandler. They took home top prizes on Tuesday night at the 2022 People's Choice Awards. The fan-voted award show spans over 40 categories and honors performers across movies, television, music, and pop culture. Marvel's Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness won the movie of 2022, with its star Elizabeth Olsen taking home the award for female movie star as well as action movie star. Adam Sandler was named comedy movie star and Styles Male Artist of 2022. Selena Gomez won 2 awards for comedy TV star for her work in Only Murders in the Building, as well as